Hello students, welcome back. Today we will continue with the fourth part of exercise 4.5 of chapter number 4, Determinants. Till now we have completed till question 14. Now today we will complete this exercise. Okay, so question number 15, matrix A, 3 cross 3 matrix is given, and you have to show that A cube minus 6A square plus 5 plus 11I equal to 0 matrix, and hence using this equation you have to find out A inverse. This type of sum we have already solved for 2 cross 2 matrix, right? So this is important one. This type of question can be asked in 4 marks. Okay, it's quite lengthy. Okay, so let's start question 15 and matrix A 1 1 1 1 2 minus 3 2 minus 1 3, and we have to prove A cube minus 6A square plus 5 plus 11I equal to 0 matrix. Okay, so first let's find out A square and then we will find out A cube. Okay, so let's begin. A square will be equal to A square equal to A into A. This will be equal to 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 3, 2, minus 1, 3 into 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 3, 2, minus 1, 3. Okay, so let's multiply it. Let's take the first row 1, 1, and 1. 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 minus 1, 1 minus 3 plus 3. Okay, next one. And let me calculate it here only again. 1 plus 1 plus 2, that will be equal to 4. 1 plus 2 minus 1, that will be equal to 2. And 1 minus 3 plus 3, that will be equal to 1. Okay. Now, second, 1, 2, and minus 3. So 1 into 1, 1 plus 2 ones are 2, minus 3 into 2, minus 6. Second, 1 plus 2 twos are 4, and minus 3 into 1, minus 3. Sorry, plus 3. Third one, 1 into 1, 1, 3 into minus 2, minus 6, 3 into minus 3, minus 9. So this will be equal to 1 plus 2, 3 minus 6, that will be equal to minus 3. Then it's 1 plus 4 plus 3, that will be equal to 8. And 1 minus 6, that is minus 5, minus 9, that will be equal to minus 14. Okay, now let's take the third row. 2 minus 1, 3. So again, 2 into 1, 2, 1 into minus 1, minus 1, plus 6. Next, 2 minus 2 minus 3. So 2 ones are 2 plus 3 plus 9. Okay, so let us calculate 2 minus 1 plus 6, that will be equal to 7. 2 minus 2 minus 3 minus 3. And 2 plus 3 plus 9, 9 times 1 14. Okay, so I got the value of A square. Now we need to find out A cube. Okay, so for that, let me write down the value of A square here. What was A square? 4 to 1 minus 3, 8 minus 14, 7 minus 3, 14. Okay, so you just note down this up to A square, and I'll erase it and then we'll solve A cube. So just note it down. Okay, now let's see a cube. Let's find out the value of a cube. A cube equal to a into a square. So what is a? 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 3, 2 minus 1, 3. And the value of a square, which we had already found out in earlier step, 4, 2, 1, minus 14 plus 14. Okay, so now let's multiply it. Let's take the first row. So 1 into 4, 4 minus 3 minus 7. Now second column. 2 ones are 2 plus 8 minus 3. Third, 1 minus 14 plus 40. Okay, let me calculate this here only. So 4 minus 3 minus 7, that will be equal to, sorry, it will be plus 7, I think. 7 to plus 1 plus 7. So 4 minus 3, 1 plus 7, 8. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 minus 3, 7. 1 minus 14 plus 14, 1. Clear? Now let's take the second row. 1, 2, minus 3. So 4 ones are 4. Minus 3 into 2, minus 6. 7 into minus 3, minus 21. 2 ones are 2. 8 twos are 16. Minus 3 into minus 3, plus 9. 1 ones are 1. 14 twos are 28 and minus, so minus 28. 14 threes are 42 and minus, so minus 42. So let's calculate 4 minus 6. That will be equal to minus 2 minus 21 minus 23. 2 plus 16, that is 18. Okay, 2 plus 16, that is 18, and 18 plus 9, that is 27. 1 minus 28, that is minus 27, minus 42, 7 to 9, 4, 5, 6, 69, minus 69. Okay, now let's take the third row. So 2 minus 1, 3. 4 twos are 8, minus 3 into minus 1, plus 3, 7 into 3, 21. 2 twos are 4, 8 into minus 1, minus 8, minus 3 into 3, minus 9. 2 ones are 2, minus 14 into minus 1, plus 14, 14 into 3, 20, sorry, 42. Okay, so let's calculate 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 21, 32. 4 minus 8, that is minus 4 minus 9, minus 13. Okay, 4, 2 plus 14, that is 16. 16 plus 42, so 58. Okay, so this is the value of a cube. So let me note it down here. Value of a cube 871 minus 23, 27 minus 69. 32 minus 13, 58. Okay, so I have noted down here value of a cube, that will be using this both values. So at present, just note down about a cube. Okay, so note it down. Okay, so now let's verify this equation. I will take LHS a cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11I. First put out the value of a cube. 871 minus 23, 27 minus 69, 32 minus 13, 58 minus 6 into a square. So 4, 2, 1 minus 3, 8 minus 14, 7 minus 3, 14. Okay, plus 5 into a. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 3, 2, minus 1, 3, plus 11 into I. I will take 3 cross 3 matrix. Identity 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So first let's multiply this matrix with the scalar 6. This is the 5 and this is the 11. So this will be equal to, this matrix will be as it is, 32 minus 13, 58. Okay, minus 6 fours are 24, 6 twos are 12, 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18, so minus 18, 6 eights are 48, 6 into 14, so 67, 84 minus 84. Okay, 6 sevens are 42, 6 into minus 3, that will be equal to minus 18, and 6 into 14, 84, plus 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 into minus 3, 15, 5 twos are 10, minus 5, 15, plus 11 0 0 0 11 0 0 0 11. Now we need to add these three and sorry, this matrix minus this plus this plus this. So let's solve it. 8 minus 24, that will be equal to minus 16 plus 5 minus 11 plus 11, 0. 7 minus 12, that will be minus 5 plus 5 plus 0. So it's 0. 1 minus 6, that is minus 5 plus 5 plus 0, 0. Minus 23 minus 18. So minus 23 plus 18, minus 5 plus 5, 0 plus 0, 0. 27 minus 48, that will be equal to minus 21 plus 10. So minus 11 plus 11, 0. Minus 69 minus 84. So minus 69 plus 84. So 79, 80, 15. It will be plus 15 minus 15, 0 plus 0, 0. 32 minus 42 minus 10 plus 10 plus 0, 0. Minus 13 minus 18. So minus 13 plus 18, 5. Plus minus 5, 0 plus 0, 0. 58 minus 84. So that will be equal to 58 minus 84. That will be 26. Okay, minus 26 plus 15, there will be minus 11 plus 11, 0. So this is a 0 matrix, RHS. So this implies that a cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11I is equal to 0 matrix. Clear? So what we did, I put the value of a cube, a square, a identity matrix, and I have just solved it and I got 0 matrix. Clear? So just note down this, and then we'll move forward to find out a inverse. using this equation. Okay, so at present, note it down. Okay, now let's find out A inverse. Okay, so now what we have to do? Multiply both this side by A inverse. That means A inverse into AQ. A inverse into A square. A inverse into A inverse into I, A inverse into 0 matrix. So now I will separate it A inverse into A square. 6. A inverse into A. A inverse into A, that will be equal to identity matrix phi I. A inverse into I, that will be equal to A inverse. And any matrix multiplied by 0 matrix, that will be 0 matrix. So now A inverse into A, that is I, and I into A square. Again, A inverse A into A, and I into A, 6A. Plus 5I plus 11 into A inverse equal to 0 matrix. So 11 into A inverse, that will be equal to minus A, or minus 6I will write down, plus 6A square minus A square plus 5 minus 5I. Okay, now let's put down the values. 6. What is the value of A? 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 3, 2 minus 1, 3. A square, that is 4 to 1 minus 3, 8 minus 14, 7 minus 3, 14. 5 into 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Clear? So this will be equal to, multiplied by 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 12 minus 18, 6 minus, sorry, 12 minus 6 and 18 minus 4 to 1 minus 3, 8 minus 14, 7 minus 3, 14 minus 5, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 0, 5. So now we will just use this matrix minus this minus this. Okay, so now let's solve it. So 6 minus 4 minus 5, that is 6 minus 4 minus plus 2 minus 5 minus 3. Okay, this is A11 E inverse. Okay, 6 minus 2 plus 0, 4. 6 minus 1 plus 0 minus 5, sorry, minus 0, 5. 6 minus 3, that is 6 plus 3, 9. 12 minus 8 minus 5, that is minus 1. Minus 18 minus 14 plus 0, that will be equal to minus 4. 12 minus 7 plus 0, that will be 5. Minus 6 minus 3 means minus 6 plus 3, minus 3. And 18 minus 14 plus 5, sorry, 18 minus 14 minus 5 minus 1. So that is 11 A inverse. So that implies A inverse equal to 1 by 11, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, minus 3, 4, 5, 9, minus 1, minus 4, 5, minus 3, minus 1. Okay, so this is A inverse. Okay, so what we have to do? Multiply both the side by A inverse and then solve it. Clear? So note down the third part. Okay, first we found out in first part A cube and A square. In second part we verified this. In third part we found out A inverse. Clear? So note it down. Okay, now let's move to the next. Now, question number 16 is exactly similar to question number 15. Again, 3 cross 3 matrix is there. Here it's A cube. Okay, you have to verify this and then find A inverse. So first step, find out A cube, A square. Then put that value, verify this, and then multiply both the side by A inverse and find out A inverse. Clear? Now let's move to 17. Question number 17. Let A be a non-singular matrix. Now, what is a non-singular matrix? A matrix is called a singular matrix if its determinant value is 0. Means if there is a matrix A such that for matrix A such that its determinant value is 0, then this is called singular matrix. Okay? But now this is a non-singular matrix. That means its value is not equal to 0. Okay? Then it's not A inverse, there is a mistake in question. Determinant value of adjoint of A is equal to dash. Okay, now say there is a shortcut for n cross n order matrix. A determinant value of adjoint of A will be equal to determinant value of A raised to n minus 1. So in this case, it is 3 cross 3 matrix. So here n is equal to 3. Therefore, adjoint of A and its determinant value will be equal to determinant value of matrix A into 3 minus 1, 2. So, option B is the correct one. Clear? So, this was about question number 17. So, just note it down. Okay, now let's see the last question of this exercise. That is question number 18. Let A be an invertible matrix. Invertible matrix means the matrix whose inverse exists. Okay, of order 2. Okay, obviously it will be 2 cross 2 because inverse only exists for a square matrix. Then determinant value of A inverse. Okay, there are 4 options given. Okay, so now see for question 18. A into A inverse, this is equal to I, right? So now if I take the determinant value of identity matrix is 1. So determinant value of A into determinant value of A inverse, this will be equal to 1. So I get this equal to 1 upon determinant of A or 1 upon determinant A. So option B is again the correct answer. Clear? Okay? So just note it down. Okay, students, so that's it for today. In our next video lecture, we'll continue with or we'll start with exercise 4.6. Thank you.